So let us take a look. Let us look at this example. Now, solution. Solution, right? We know it says an object is projected at an angle of 60 degrees. Our alpha is given to what? 60 degrees. With the horizontal, if the horizontal range of the object is 2.5 kilometers, so our range, which we also call the SAX, is given as what? 2.5 kilometers. Right? If we convert it, it will give us 2,500 meters. Taken. Now, same calculation for the velocity of projection. So we should look for what? V. Right? So we're looking for the velocity of projection. That is our V0. Initial velocity. And what? The maximum height, H. So one thing I want you to know at the back of your mind are these formula. Right? Note that our height is given as what? V0 square sine square alpha over what? 2g, that is 1. Also, our range is given as what? V0 square sine 2 alpha all over what? G, that is what? 2. Also, our t, time of flight, is given as what? 2v sine alpha all over what? 2v sine alpha all over g. And our time to reach maximum height is given as what? V0 sine alpha over what? G. So take note of this 3 equation here, right? So let's start. Now it says to look for the horizontal range, for the velocity, for the range. So what you do, you look for what is associated with range, and that will be this formula here. The formula has range, it has velocity, and it has alpha. So we're going to use equation 2. So you recall that my range is given as V0 square sine 2 alpha all over what? G. Now what is the range? The range is 2,500 equals to, the velocity is given as what? V0 square, then sine 2 bracket what? Alpha is what? 60. Are you with me? All over what? 9.81. So if I could multiply my 2,500 multiplied by what? 9.81 all over sine 120 equals to what? V0 square. So now my V0 square will give me, my V0 will give me the square root of what? 2,500 times 9.81 all over what? Sine 120. So that when the square is coming here, it becomes square root. So my V0 will give me 168.28 meter per second. That is my what? My V0. Are we good? Also, so you should look for what? The maximum height. You look for what has maximum height. So this guy here has height, it has velocity, and it has the angle. So I'll use this first equation. So for maximum height, we know that my h is equals to V0 square sine square alpha over what? 2g. So this will now give me My V naught square is 168.28 square sine alpha, with sine 60 everything square, all over what? 2 times 9.81. So in the long run, my H will give me 1082.5 meter. Thank you very much.